Hi, this is Kim from Reality Travel. I'm just going to go through. I'm in a different area in Thailand now. I just moved in this location today, but I just want to show you how everybody is getting ready for the nighttime market. Oh my gosh, so I'm just going to go through and show you how everybody right now is just really setting up. It's kind of empty. Setting up the chairs, supplies, ingredients, everything that you can think of. They're setting it up. They're getting ready for getting ready for the nighttime market, right? Yeah. So it's gonna be a lot of people here tonight. You see right now, it's just the workers, and everybody's carrying everything in. Of course, as you saw, some food is ready, but I'm gonna come through tonight and wow, some food is already done. Yum, yum, yum. And so, yeah, that music is, I have to get away from that music. But it's going through, showing you how empty it is. And when I come back out tonight, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take a nap, come back out. You getting ready for the nighttime market? Wow. I guess he doesn't speak English. All he could say was Zok. Zok. Whatever that means. So these, as you can see, there's a lot of these tents. I'm not going to cover all of these tents. You got the different kinds of bananas, limes. But here's your vegetable. Wow. What are those? What are those? What are they?
I don't know.
Oh, no English. Okay. Okay, thank you. I would like to know what those are, but she doesn't know what they are. See a lot of different vegetables, fruit and vegetables. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. They're making candles. See those little bugs? Those aren't just little bugs. Those are bees. So as you see from afar, there is a lot of empty tents. Well, I did find out what this fruit right here was. This is a different type of coconut. And it is certainly coconut, and they have some over there, and they're about to really set up. So, Kim from Reality Travel out in oh, excuse me, the night market that's setting up for the night market. The night market has not begun yet, but we're gonna come back and do this video again just to show you how these night markets, how packed full of people that they can become. Might not even be able to get through here tonight. So I'm probably gonna go and take a nap, maybe. This is a new area for me, so I think I just want to go and branch out a little bit. Take no nap, really. Yeah, I'm gonna go and visit some of the other areas. So anyway, this is Kim from Reality Travel, coming to you at the soon-to-be set up complete night market.